We're at the beach. Yay! Yay! Okay.
Oh, there's Dad.
Hold on. What's he doing? Is something. That bird? Yeah, if she's laying eggs, leave her alone. Yeah, I don't think so. Go ahead. Do whatever you're gonna do. Yeah, she's not laying eggs. I don't think she's laying eggs. Oh, she only has one leg. Oh. Aw. Oh wait, she does have another leg. Okay, I don't feel bad anymore. We are at Palm Island Beach in Charleston, South Carolina. It's gorgeous. My cousin's about to get married, but we're having fun at the beach. And that's all.